In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business name in your account settings. Whether you're rebranding or just refining how your business is presented, updating the name in your account ensures consistency across invoices, emails, and customer-facing pages. We'll keep this simple and precise. Open Settings, go to Basic Information, find the business name field, enter the new name, and save your changes. First, open Settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon or a clearly labeled option in your main navigation. Settings is where global preferences live, so any change you make here can affect your entire account. If you work within a team, make sure your user role has permission to edit company details, so you can proceed without interruptions. Next, select Basic Information. This section contains the core identity fields for your account, things like your organization's public name and foundational details. Even if your interface groups it near account or profile, the page you're after is titled Basic Information. Open it to reveal the editable fields you'll need. Inside Basic Information, locate the business name field. This is the label customers will see most often. Be sure you're editing business names specifically, not a contact name, project label, or internal note. If your setup includes multiple locations or departments, confirm you're working in the correct area so the change applies where you expect. Now, enter your new business name. Type it exactly as you want it to appear, paying close attention to capitalization, spacing, and any legally required suffixes. Keep the formatting clean and professional. Avoid unnecessary punctuation, symbols, or emojis that might not render consistently across platforms. Watch out for accidental extra spaces or hidden characters that sometimes appear when pasting from other documents. If you're transitioning from an older name, consider how this new wording aligns with your brand voice to maintain a cohesive look across marketing materials. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes. The button is typically labeled Save Changes or simply Save, and it may sit at the bottom right or top corner of the page. Wait for the success confirmation before navigating away. That message indicates your update has been recorded. In some systems, it can take a short time for the new name to propagate everywhere, but it's now stored in your account. That's it. You opened Settings, went to Basic Information, found the business name field, entered your new name, and saved your changes. If your industry has naming rules or compliance requirements, double-check that your new name meets them. Thanks for watching, and enjoy presenting your updated business identity with confidence.